Okay, so I hope this is a decent angle so you can see the area that I'm working on. I've actually stripped the guts off the back. This is a Mesogen Model B. This is this setup in here is really typical of pachinko machines in general. I think most all of this hardware came from the same supplier regardless of the company. Interesting, this does not have the retaining ring. Somebody put a piece of wire on it to hold it. So, I mean, that'd work, but I'll replace it with an E-ring. But what we're going to talk about is something I found out about fairly early on, I guess, and that is in this launch spring. This launch spring is held in with a nail here. It's attached to this, and then the spring, and then it comes over and it attaches to the hammer, the launch hammer, okay? So you just lift it up off the nail and unhook it from the launch hammer. So you've got this piece here. So what you may not know is that inside of these, and I don't know if you can see it when I stretch the spring out, but inside is a piece of rolled up Japanese newspaper. And that was put in as a sound deadening mechanism, I believe. So you just grab this and open it up a little bit so that you can get this off. And then I just go in with the needle nose and grab the coil and pull this back. Only about that much. You don't want to pull it back too far. And on a really rusty spring, I have broken them. So you just make another loop. But inside is this piece of Japanese newspaper. And get it open. Some are in much better shape than others. Oop. There we go. There you go. So there's the piece of newspaper that's in there. You know, it's all stained from the moisture. So I just take these out and leave them aside, and then I'll put this along with all the rest of the metal parts in my sonic cleaner, and once it comes out of the sonic cleaner, there won't be any rust on this. You let it dry really well. You just slide this back in, bend that back up, and hook it back onto this piece, and you're all set to go.